All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for accessing this video. This video is all about the Jupiter transit is after 59 years. Yes, guys. So tomorrow, that is 20th November 2020, the benefic planet Jupiter is transiting into Capricorn after 59, and this transit is happening after 59 years. Why? Because the special here is the Saturn is already transiting in Capricorn and Jupiter is moving from Sagittarius to Capricorn and he will be uniting with Saturn. So this is happening after 59 years. Same 59 years back, Jupiter and Saturn together were transiting in a single zodiac sign, and this is happening after 59 years. Okay, so there are two auspicious yogas that is forming, that is Dharma Karmadipati Yoga and also Nichabanga Raja Yoga happening because of conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn in Capricorn. Why? Because why I'm saying Dharma Karmadipati Yoga? Because ninth house talks about Dharma. Okay, 10th house talks about Karma, the action. So the Dharmadipati Yoga, that is ninth house Lord and the 10th house Lord of natural zodiac, that is Jupiter and Saturn, are getting conjunct and transiting in Capricorn from tomorrow for next 1 year. Okay, so this is very rare combination that is happening after 59 years. And why Nichabanga Raj Yoga is happening? Because Jupiter is debilitated in Capricorn, right? And Jupiter debilitation is cancelled by the Saturn. Why? Because Saturn is owning the Capricorn, and the owner of the house Saturn is conjunct next to Jupiter in Capricorn. So the debilitation effect of Jupiter is getting cancelled, and you will be seeing the positive effects of Jupiter instead of negative effects. And also Jupiter is conjunct with a matured planet Saturn, so there will be people thinking in a most matured way, and they'll be attracting abundance and prosperity because of Jupiter. Jupiter is also planet of expansion, and Jupiter conjunction with Saturn gives expansion in business. You will be open to many opportunities, and also if at all any conflicts were there since long time, so this is the right time for you to negotiate with those people and come into a conclusion, come into an amicable solution. And also most importantly, Jupiter and Saturn conjunction in Capricorn makes you to be practical in life, because Saturn teaches you the practicality in life, and Jupiter is an action taker, right? Same like Mars, Jupiter is an action taker. So the people, so you got to play a role of practical practitioner. That's the right word, I want to use it. And also do watch other videos also, because I'll be speaking a lot on this topic on Jupiter transit. And also there are certain videos that is made on Jupiter transit to Capricorn for each zodiac sign. If you just browse around 2 weeks or 3 weeks back, you will find those videos. Please, in my YouTube channel, please do watch those videos as well. All right, and if at all you need my consultation, the link is mentioned in the description section. Do book for the consultation so that I can able to provide you complete analysis pertaining to Jupiter, not only Jupiter, about all the planets for that matter. And you can even book the Jupiter transit report. If you just go to the website, the link is mentioned in the description section. So you can book for the Jupiter transit report so that I'm able to send you the complete 1 year report in terms of performing the analysis based upon your problems. Okay, mostly, concentrating upon Jupiter, because Jupiter transit is happening from tomorrow in Capricorn for next one year. Okay, so do book for the consultation and see you in the consultation. Bye for now.